The mihi animas trataratole. Give me souls, take away the rest. Father John po, SDB. We are now in the 22nd Sunday in Ordinary Time. And the message of our celebration of our liturgy today is discipleship. Pinapaalala po sa atin kung anong ibig sabihin ng pagsunod sa ating Panginoon. Yes, He has promised so much glory, so much reward if we follow Him. But let us not forget that the Lord is so clear also that when we decide to follow Him, we have to be ready to carry our cross because it will not be very easy. Remember na siya mismo ay nagdusa sa mundong ito. And ayun ang pagdadaanan natin bilang mga tigasunod niya. We cannot but to carry our cross and follow Him. Yun po'y pinapahiwatig sa atin ng ating ebanghelyo because the devil will do everything to discourage us na pahirapan tayo para hindi na natin gampanan ang mga responsibilidad na dapat nating gampanan bilang mga Kristiyano. Because ito yung na-experience sa first reading. No? Na every time that I will be speaking about the Lord, I am being punished by the people around me. Pinagtatawanan nila ako, pinapahirapan nila ako. Therefore, I don't like to do this anymore. But, hindi matigil ang kanyang puso nagliliyab na gawin ang kagustuhan ng Diyos. At buti na lang, nakinig siya sa kanyang damdamin. That he cannot be silent just because he is being abandoned or being persecuted by all. Kung kaya nga ang ating pangalawang pagbasa, yun po yung sinasabi sa atin, those who will remain firm and faithful until the end will be blessed by the Lord. Ito yung hiniling sa atin na second reading, do not be afraid. Stand firm kahit naghihirap ka because the Lord will be with you and bless you in your suffering and the glory will be given to you. Kung kaya po ang ating ebanghelyo, our gospel taken from the Gospel of Matthew chapter 16 verse 21 to 27. Pinaalam ni Jesus sa kanyang mga disipulo kung anong mangyayari sa kanya. Mahirap, nakakatakot, masakit. At kinuha ng demonyo ang pagkakataon na ito para pigilan siya by using Peter. Lord, forbid it. Wag na sana mangyari ang bagay na ito. Kung mahina ang kapit ng ating Panginoon sa kanyang pag-ibig sa Ama, He will let go. But He said, Peter, get out. Wag mong pangunahan ang kagustuhan ng Diyos. Pumunta ka sa likod ko. Huwag kang manguna sa kagustuhan ng Diyos. Peter was used, and people will be used to make us suffer so that we will let go of our faith. Sinasabi ko nga po sa mga kabataan na naglilingkod sa simbahan, nadi-discourage sila. Because binubuhos na nila lahat na kanilang makakaya, pero it seems walang nangyayari. Walang nakikinig, nahihirapan sila. Pero, at ang dami pang umaaway sa kanila. Pero I keep on telling to them, kung maganda ang ginagawa mo, at alam ng demonyo that you will be saving souls because of what you're doing, he will do everything to stop you. And our liturgy for today, our celebration for today, reminds us, be strong, be steadfast. Don't let go of your mission because God is with you. Sana yung nagliliyab na puso natin, tulad ng ating salmong tugunan, my soul is thirsting for you. We thirst in doing the will of God, not the will of this world. Maraming pagsubok, maraming pipigil, pero let us fix our eyes and our hearts to the gaze of the wonderful face of God. Let us be disciples, ready to carry our crosses. Once again, my dear friends, God bless us all.